Article 210.11 Branch circuits required. Branch circuits for lighting and for appliances, including motor-operated appliances, shall be provided to supply the loads calculated in accordance with 220.10. In addition, branch circuits shall be provided for specific loads not covered by 220.10 where required elsewhere in this code and for dwelling unit loads as specified in 210.11c. A. Number of branch circuits. The minimum number of branch circuits shall be determined from the total calculated load and the size or rating of the circuits used. In all installations, the number of circuits shall be sufficient to supply the load served. In no case shall the load on any circuit exceed the maximum specified by 220.11. B. Load evenly proportioned among branch circuits. Where the load is calculated on the basis of volt-amperes per square meter or per square foot, the wiring system up to and including the branch circuit panel board as shall be provided to serve not less than the calculated load. This load shall be evenly proportioned among multi-outlet branch circuits within the panel board as branch circuit overcurrent devices and circuits shall be required to be installed only to serve the connected load. C. Dwelling units. 1. Small appliance branch circuits. In addition to the number of branch circuits required by other parts of this section, 2 or more 20-ampere small appliance branch circuits shall be provided for all receptacle outlets specified by 210.52b. 2. Laundry branch circuits. In addition to the number of branch circuits required by other parts of this section, at least one additional 20-ampere branch circuit shall be provided to supply the laundry receptacle outlets required by 210.52f. This circuit shall have no other outlets. 3. Bathroom branch circuits.